the importance of Figma and the salary package for Figma developers. Figma is a new web-based app released in 2016. It is designed to help the users to create wireframes, prototypes, mock-ups for web pages, and other digital products. Figma is an awesome tool for interface designers. It allows you to create beautiful interfaces. You can design icons, create layouts, add animations, and test design before publishing them. One thing we really like about Figma is it allows you to drag and drop images directly into your documents. If you're working with a team, it also gives you the ability to collaborate with them. You can share your documents with them and also comment the changes made by others. And you know the salary packages in Figma developers, it's an average of 18 lakhs per year. Mostly ranging between 14 lakhs per year to 43 lakhs per year. So are you interested to learn Figma to become a Figma developer? Then join with us. Seats are filling, so hurry up.